It's super challenging to get your arms around all of your data if you only think about people, process, and procedures. That's very, very manual. A good example of this is if you need to curate, classify, and label information, all the information that you have, your structured to your unstructured content, it could take years before you actually work through all of that information. Most organizations may only be tapping into 10% of their data because they're running on manual processes to do this. What technology allows you to do, and more importantly, technology with deep analytic capabilities and machine learning, it allows you to move through that data quickly, understand it, interpret it, classify it, and curate it within a matter of weeks. And so really what you do is have the ability to get a time to value within 8 to 12 weeks versus 18 months to 3 years.